I'm not trying to scam anybody here.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to another cold episode of Dudecraft. Today, we're going to be changing the brake light on my 2014 Mini Cooper Clubman. Because I don't need to get any tickets. I can't afford that. So, what do you say we get into it? Now this is really as simple as a bit and a bulb. We have a 1/8 inch hex bit. Now, this is a star bit, but if you got a hex bit, it'll work in the star bit. One screw. You know what? Let me grab my magnetic bowl so I don't lose this. One magnetic bowl, one screw. This just kind of lifts up and wiggles out. There we go. Comes off right there. We're going to disconnect the wiring harness. It's kind of cold and I can't really feel my fingers. It's in the single digits here. What's the temperature up by you guys? Or down by you guys? Or across the pond by you guys? There we go. Woo. Alright. So the top part right there, my brake light. Turn it until, there we go, and then wiggle it out. All right, it's out. You know, can't see that the element's burnt out, but I do see that there was some meltage up there, so I'm hoping I don't have an overload or overload or a short going on here. Alright, well, we're just gonna try this anyhow. So we're going to pop out the bulb. There we go. And we're going to put the new one in. There we go. We are going to put it back in. I said put it back in, not halfway put it in. There we go. We're going to twist it until it's up. Alright. Let's put the wiring harness back on. Tuck the wires in. Put the two prongs in the prong holders. Situate it. Put the screw back in. Alright. Nice and secured. So now let's go start the car, step on the brake, and see what happens. Well, I can see from my handy dandy replay that my brake light did not come on. Well, that is troubling. Alright, let's play around with this a little bit, see what we got. Gonna grab a cinder block and put on my brake pedal and see what happens here. Hey, we got lights. I guess it was just a loose connection. So that's how you change the brake light on a Mini Cooper Clubman. You guys stay warm. My fingers are frozen. I'm gonna get me a nice little hot toddy right now. So the dude abides, so do I. I'll catch you guys next trip. Peace.
Yeah, well, the dude abides.